Catherine Thompson here. As far as the weather is concerned, we were pretty dry today, had a lot of sunshine, but there is a catch as we head into the weekend. As I was saying, it's going to get colder, especially as we head into tonight and into tomorrow. We do look to stay tranquil, though. Our weather pattern looks to stay pretty quiet with high pressure moving in. Our satellite and radar already showing, again, these mainly clear skies. We started off today with some clouds, some leftover clouds, but most of those have really dissipated now. We've still got a little bit of snow here and there left over, especially at high spots, but generally we've seen a lot of melting today too. Temperatures for most have been in the 30s and 40s, but look at these numbers as we head into the overnight hours and into Saturday. So this is what you need to dress for. The wind chill, this is what it's going to feel like overnight tonight and into tomorrow. We've got cold northwesterly winds. It'll feel like it's in the single digits, at least the low teens for a lot of people waking up early tomorrow morning. And then it's going to feel like it's in the teens and 20s throughout much of the day tomorrow. It's not going to actually be that cold, but that's what you need to dress for right there, because when that wind draws heat away from your body, that makes you, again, cool down a lot faster. Now, high pressure, again, is moving in, though, so we are staying dry. We still are going to be windy, and that's why we're going to be feeling those wind chills. Eventually, the high pressure takes off to the south and east as we head into Sunday. That will change it up. We do have a warm-up on Sunday, but notice what's starting to creep in from the west. Some clouds, a little bit of precipitation developing. That's when we're going to see our next chance of rain, possibly Sunday night to Monday. So let's take a close look at Futurecast again tonight. Temperatures dropping quickly after sundown. We're in the 20s for a while, then we hit the teens in a lot of places early tomorrow morning. Again, it does feel way colder than that, though. And then tomorrow with the highs, we're talking upper 20s and low 30s. Lots of sun to go around. Again, we make a recovery as we head into Sunday. Tomorrow night's still going to be cold with lows in the 20s and teens again. But Sunday, despite the clouds, we warm back up into the 40s. Notice, though, during the afternoon and evening, we've got some rain, a little bit of snow mixing in at those really high spots. This will mainly just be rain, and it does look like we're going to get a pretty good soaking rain as we head into early Monday. So throughout the day, actually, Monday, we look very wet. Again, mainly rain because temperatures will be warmer. Could see a little bit of snow at the higher elevations, but not a lot going on through midweek. I want you to pay attention to this, though. Look at Thursday. Looks like we could get a dose of snow. It's one of those systems that's going to be sweeping by to the south, though, so depending on where that freezing line is, we could see more snow or all snow, or we could see a little bit of ice and rain mixed back in there, and that would affect those amounts. So we don't know if it's going to be, 1 or 2 inches possibly next week, or possibly up to 5 or 6 in some spots. That's something we're going to watch very closely. But just know, through the weekend we look quiet. We get that rain into Monday, and then later in the week we could have some snow by next Thursday. We'll be back right after this break.
We have one more story before we go.